right. Hello. Good, happy Friday morning to you. Day number 2 of our trip. Today is at Epcot. All day today. Supposed to rain from 1 to 5, so which actually might be really good timing because that's right around their nap time. We found out yesterday that as long as you come back around noon and rest for a little bit, then that kind of works out. Oh look, Jungle Book. Anyways, so we're gonna be at Epcot today, September 23rd. We have reservations for the Hacienda later today, this afternoon, like at 4. But otherwise, we're good. I bought my lightning lane for Guardians of the Galaxy, so super excited about that. I'm the only one going on it because kids don't like roller coasters. So it'll just be me doing that. But yeah, park opens at 8:30. Early entry is at 8. It is 7:30. We're headed to the Skyliner right now. Ooh, the line is not that long for Skyliner. Last time we were here in spring break, the line actually started, that's the Skyliner there. The line actually went all the way around that way for like a quarter mile, but it actually moves pretty quick. So we are making good time this morning, but we gotta wait for Marissa and Eliana, so not looking too bad.
We are now arriving at Epcot. To all who come to this place of joy, hope, and friendship, welcome.
Look at that. This is the first time I've seen that. This is a Braille map. That is so cool.
If you are planning to visit World Showcase today, now might be a good time to practice your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas.
All right, here we go. First ride of the day. It's Frozen. 10-minute wait, but the park did just open for resort guests, so practically a walk-on. All right, so first ride was Frozen. We already had our first meltdown of the day because Harrison wants a lovey. Even though yesterday he said he wouldn't want anything else and he got Eeyore, he saw Sven and wanted that one. So, everything's a 5-minute wait, but the park just opened up at 8:30. Marissa thinks that we can do test track. Yeah. So we'll see. It goes really fast, so that's what makes me fearful. But Marissa thinks we can do it, so. Yeah.
Shake him out of his mood.
Well, I'll tell you what. If we're gonna do it, I'd rather traumatize him early. So.
And then we can walk around and be happy.
All right, I guess we're gonna do test track, and I'll have the footage here to show you if he likes it or not. I think you're fine.
Alright, you're good? Yes, she's good. Alright, Harrison.
I think you're okay, but let's see.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're good. There we go. All right, well, this is it. Test track it is. Eliana's already a little nervous. All right, guys, you ready? All right, here we go, test track. The fear on Eliana's face. Oh my goodness, that's priceless. I don't know, I'm just gonna do it. Oh, how do you pick the color?
What kind of wheels, Ellie?
Oh, here we go.
You got one of those? Those, yeah? Okay.
No, and then this one. Here, you got it. Okay, what color do you want? Pick the color.
Mine.
What color? Ooh, yellow? What about green?
Oh yeah, let it be green.
All right, here we go.
Oh, that's a
and then,
one.
oh.
Accessories, Ellie.
You want stars on them? Or do you want flames on them? Oh, look at those.
D.
You want? Oh, you're gonna make a love bug, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nana, make it a.
All right, Nana, give me a thumbs up, baby.
Woo!
All right, buddy, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go. All right, here we go. Looks like we're starting now. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. All right, buddy.
Here comes the final test.
Final test. Oh my goodness. What, Harrison?
I said I really liked the pond.
You liked it?
Yeah, I wish I could go on it.
Nana, here, give me a fist bump. Super proud of you. Hey, you just conquered test track. All right, I gotta admit that Harrison took test track a little bit better than I thought he would. So now it's off to their favorite little purple dragon. Got Figment.
This is not a good time. It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll. Whoa! You win one second. Don't!
Ew! Oh man! Does that smell good, buddy?
Not good.
All right, so the thing with Epcot, it's so big. We just got through with Figment and then Nemo, and then we have a 9:30 to 10:30 Genie Pass for Frozen. We go back all the way back over to the World Showcase, and it's way over there. After that, we're gonna get some snacks. It is Food and Wine Festival, so hopefully get some yummies. Definitely not gonna have a problem getting our steps in today. That's for sure. All right, Frozen 2. Get it? All right, Frozen again.
A 4.
4.
What happened?
It was not that bad this morning. I just now to the black bed. To a black shirt this morning because my other one would have been stupid. Mama.
Your solar system has a singular star from our world to yours.
All right, we're in. You know, normally I have Avery with me to do all these rides, but she's in school right now. It was just me by myself.
My home planet.
All right, so just like in the movies, the soundtrack is a big part of the story. When you're in your spaceship, they have different tracks, like 8 different music songs. So you never know what you're gonna get, but I'm excited to see what's on our ride. All right, here we go.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan's never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You're gonna need it. Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done? I think we jumped back. All the way. Oh my
Have you not been paying attention? Number team, lick your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
Oh, look at that! Oh, that's cool! Oh, here we go! Here we go!
Remind me to raise our race.
Oh man! Oh. That was super awesome. All right, just got done with Cosmic Rewind, and let me tell you, so it is definitely more intense than Space Mountain. Space Mountain is like a kiddie coaster compared to this thing. You launch backwards and you rotate and you go sideways, and boy, let me tell you, you definitely get some G's in there. But now would I go on it again? Yes. But man, that is a completely different kind of roller coaster than I've ever been on. Especially when you go sideways, like when you're getting all the G-force going sideways. I think that's what makes it so different. But anyways, Avery, you would have loved it. So yeah, conquered the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So I'm gonna go find Marissa now, and we got Soren. So whew, now that that's over, that was intense. There was this little girl in front of me, and her mom said, "Now you sure it's just like Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway Railway?" And she's like, "Of course it is." And then she looks over at me, she's like, it's like, oh man. But she was right in front of me the whole time. She took it like a champ though. She cried, but she made it okay. Donald's back!
Donald, right after this family, we're gonna go ahead and straighten your sombrero, okay?
Where's Daisy?
Where's Daisy?
Oh, he's over there. Harrison, we were gonna ask Donald, remember?
What? You have to ask him.
Ooh, here we go.
No, we're not.
I finally got it. All right, you take a picture.
Want me to hug?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Amada prenda querida, sí, sí, cómo no, no puedo vivir sin verte. Guajira, sí, señor. Amada prenda querida, sí, no puedo vivir sin verte. Guajira, sí, señor.
Really, you teach us?
Y amarte toda la vida. Guantanamera, oh, Guajira, Guantanamera, oye cómo va. Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera. El día.
Eliana, is that your friend?
Whoa, look at this car. Don't touch it. Ooh, look, it's green on the bottom. Marissa looks like she went on the Cali River Rapids. She looks like she peed in her pants.